Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken tahari. First, ensure you have all your ingredients prepped and ready to go. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of chicken, 2 cups of basmati rice, and your aromatic vegetables like 1 large onion, 2 tomatoes, and 3 green chilies. Don't forget your ginger garlic paste and a 1/2 cup of plain yogurt to tenderize the chicken and add richness. Begin by heating 3 tablespoons of oil in a pot and sautéing the sliced onion until it turns a beautiful golden brown. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and cook for 1 minute until fragrant. Add your chicken pieces along with 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and salt to taste. Cook until the chicken is lightly browned, then mix in the chopped tomatoes and a 1/2 cup of yogurt, simmering until the oil separates. Now pour in 3.5 cups of water and bring the mixture to a rolling boil. Carefully add your pre-soaked basmati rice and the 3 green chilies, stirring gently to combine everything. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot tightly, and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. The rice should absorb all the liquid and become perfectly fluffy. Serve hot with raita or a simple salad. Once cooked, let the tahari rest for 5 minutes, then gently fluff it with a fork to separate the grains. Garnish with fresh cilantro for a burst of color and aroma. This dish is best served hot, perhaps with a side of cooling raita or a crisp salad. It's a fantastic meal for any day. And hey, for those looking to simplify meal prep, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.